This time Apple Watch Series 8 is not alone in the war zone of smartwatches. Series 8 brought something with it as a front line to withstand harsh and extreme environments. After a year of rumors, Apple has finally developed a rugged and premium smartwatch which they named Apple Watch Ultra. Its new design and bigger display can take your exploration and outdoor activities even further. Moreover, the Apple Watch Ultra has something that you see only on Garmin by providing advanced features. Apple appears to be competing with Garmin. To know how advanced the Apple Watch Ultra is, we're going to compare it with the famous and durable smartwatch Garmin Fenix 7. So without further ado, let's begin. Starting with the design, right now Apple Watch Ultra sits atop Apple smartwatch lineup and goes exactly the opposite direction of the word known as affordable, and it's like Series 8 just came from the gym with the 49mm case. The Watch Ultra is more rugged and durable, whereas the Garmin Fenix 7 is already durable and comes in three different sizes: 42mm, 47mm, and 51mm. Both watches feature materials like titanium and sapphire. Design-wise, Apple Watch Ultra comes in a semi-rounded rectangular with a flat sapphire display instead of the round edges that we have seen in the previous models. The digital crown is now larger and the side button is raised from the case, making them easier to use even while wearing gloves. The Watch Ultra has a new action button that can give you quick and physical control over a variety of functions. On the other hand, Garmin Fenix 7 comes in a rounded solar charge touch display with 5 physical buttons to give you full flexibility and the ability to use it in extreme conditions. Moreover, the Fenix 7 is bright enough to deliver stats even under sunlight. At this point, Apple Watch Ultra comes with a surprise because it has the brightest display ever compared to other smartwatches with up to 20 nits of brightness. At its peak, you can see every workout metric and detail-packed watch faces pretty easily. Anyway, Apple's new rugged smartwatch now features 3 brand new straps with a unique approach, which are the Alpine Loom, Trail Loop, and Ocean Band. Furthermore, both watches are water resistant for up to 100 meters and have an IPsec dustproof rating. Let's talk about performance and features. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with every powerful tracking sensor that you get in the Series 8. Even Garmin Fenix 7 also has those sensors, including heart rate, blood oxygen, temperature, and many more. But there are some differences in activity tracking features. You can find them on the Garmin Fenix 7 but not in the Apple Watch Ultra. Moreover, Apple always provided the best heart rate sensor. Now we have the 3rd generation optical heart rate sensor and ECG in Watch Ultra. Apple also added a temperature sensor, which is a big feature for women's health tracking. But this can be used for all kinds of activities and health checks as well, whereas Garmin has a thermometer that isn't that accurate. Both Apple Watch Ultra and Garmin Fenix 7 have accelerometers, but Apple Watch Ultra has a high G accelerometer which not only detects falls while running or cycling but also car crashes too, and provides the location to dispatchers as well as your emergency contacts. One of the best things you can find on Garmin is the GPS and accurate tracking, and Apple needed to exactly hit that spot. With Apple Watch Ultra, they actually did it. They came with dual frequency GPS into a new antenna designed for greater range and incredible power efficiency. You can get marvelous accuracy and precise metrics. Not only that, you can use the new action button to add waypoints to find your way back, but somehow if you forgot to set waypoints, no worries, the Apple Watch Ultra automatically starts tracking for way back. Also, there's something that you cannot find on any other smartwatches yet, which is the 86 decibel siren sonic salvation. You can use this if you get lost, injured, or need to attract attention. All you have to do is hold the action button. This siren can be heard up to 600 feet or 180 meters away. Plus, Apple partnered with renowned underwater innovators who wish outdoors to deliver you a full-featured dive computer on your wrist. In terms of runtime, the Apple Watch Ultra gets more space for a bigger battery due to the thicker case. Now the question is exactly how much bigger? Well, Apple said you'll get up to 36 ounces from a single charge, and in low power mode you'll get up to 60 hours. And this is a huge improvement compared to the previous Apple smartwatches. But compared to Garmin Fenix 7, it's nothing, because Garmin Fenix 7 can survive for up to 28 days from a single charge and up to 37 days with solar. Even while GPS is on, it can deliver up to 89 hours. About the price, Apple Watch Ultra costs $799, whereas the Garmin Fenix 7 stars from $699. But for the 51mm Sapphire Solar Edition, you have to pay $999.99. In short, both Apple Watch Ultra and Garmin Fenix 7 are extremely durable, they also have some similar features, and in some cases Apple Watch Ultra wins. Alternatively, in some cases, Fenix 7 wins. However, Apple Watch Ultra has some interesting features that Garmin should bring to their smartwatches. So what do you think? Can Apple Watch also take the Rugged King title? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this on your feed.